Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy at home. Welcome to your English class. Today, let us go for your sixth chapter, that is try again. What do you mean by try again, children? Means try and you will succeed in whatever it is. ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಗೆಲ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ, but we should not stop our attempt. Understood, children? Yes. Now let us begin the chapter. This is a very interesting story, children. Okay. Let us see what is the story about. There was once a famous ruler of Tartary whose name was Tamerlane. Like Alexander the Great, he wished to become the master of the whole world. So, children, once there was a famous ruler of Tartary, of the place called Tartary, and whose name was Tamerlane, and the ruler name was Tamerlane. So, like Alexander the Great, who is Alexander, children? He is a famous king of Macedonia. Okay, he wished to become the master of the whole world. So, this Tamerlane wanted to become like an Alexander the Great, and also he wished to become a master of the whole world. Master is nothing but to have control over the whole world. He wanted to become the master for the whole world. Okay, yes. So he raised a great army and made war against other countries. He conquered many kings and burned many cities. So what did he do, children? So he raised a great army. Army means what? Military force. Gottidella army means it is nothing but a military force. And he made a war against other countries. War means what, children? War andre eno? It is nothing but conflict between countries. Andre fighting means war is a situation of fighting between countries or groups of people. Okay, so what he did, he raised an army and made war against other countries. So on other countries he made a war. He conquered many kings and burned many cities. He conquered is nothing but to defeat in battle. Andre defeat marda, and he defeated many kings and also he burned many cities. Understood? He burned many cities. But at last his army was beaten, his men were scattered, and Tamerlane fled alone from the field of battle. So, what happened, children? But at last, what happened? His army was beaten. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಇವರು ಸೋತೋದ್ರು. His men were scattered. Scattered is nothing but to separate and go in different directions. Understood? They got separated and they all went away in different directions. And Tamerlane fled alone from the field of battle. So he became alone and he fled from there to from the field of battle. Means he alone went away from the field of battle. Understood, children? Battle means what? A general action or fight. For a long time he wandered in fear from place to place. Yes, his foes were looking for him. He was in despair. He was about to lose all hope. So what happened, children? For a long time he was wandering in fear. Andre he was very much scared and he was roaming here and here. Wandering is nothing but a person who keeps traveling from place to place with no home. Understood? So he was traveling like that from place to place and his foes were looking for him. Foes means, children, enemies. His enemies were searching for him. He was in despair. Despair means feeling of having no hope. Andre he lost all the hope, means he didn't have any hope. He was about to lose all hope, and also he didn't had any hope. He also was about to lose all his hope, and means he didn't had the hope that again he is going to succeed. Understood, children? Yes. One day he was lying under a tree. thinking of his misfortunes. He had now been a wanderer for 20 days. He could not hold out much longer. So one day what happened, children? He was sitting under a tree thinking of his misfortune. Misfortune means his bad luck. What all had happened till now, he was thinking about everything and sitting under a tree. So he had now been a wanderer for 20 days. Means, children, he was going on traveling and traveling from 20 days and he could not hold out much longer. He was going on traveling and traveling and he was not able to continue the same thing for much longer. Okay, so he was fed up of that life. Understood, children? Yes. Suddenly, he saw a small object creeping up the trunk of the tree. He looked more closely and saw that it was an ant. The ant was carrying a grain of wheat as large as itself. So what happened, children? Suddenly he was sitting under the tree, right? Yeah. Suddenly he saw something on the tree. He saw an object creeping up the trunk of the tree. Upon the trunk, something was creeping. Creeping is nothing but, children, to move slowly with the abdomen close to the ground. Mean to move slowly. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Okay. So what was it, children? When he looked more closely, what was it, children? It was nothing but a ant. You can see here, it was an ant. Okay. Yes. The ant was carrying a grain of wheat as large as itself. So what the ant was carrying, children? It was carrying a grain of wheat. One wheat grain na carry ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Okay? It was carrying a grain of wheat. So and it was as large as itself. Means it was as large as the ant. The wheat grain was how it was, children? It was the same size as ant. Understood? Are you understanding, children? Yes. As Chamberlain looked, he saw that there was a hole in tree only a little way above, and that this was the home of the ant. You are a brave fellow, Mr. Ant. Mr. Ant, he said, but you have a heavy load to carry. So what did Tamerlane look, children? As Tamerlane looked, so he was going on looking whom? He was going on looking the ant which was on the trunk of a tree. Okay, he saw that there was a hole in the tree only a little way. So you can see your children. So near when he was observing the ant, only the little way. What was there, children? There was a hole. Hole is nothing but, see, you can see here. Okay, so hole above. So there was an ant little way, hole little way above. And later, and that was home of the ant. So what was it, children? It was the home of the ant. Yes. So what happened there, children? Tamerlane started to speak about the ant. What he said for the ant? You are a brave fellow. So he said that you are a brave fellow. Okay. And also Mr. Ant, he said, but you have a heavy load to carry. But you are carrying a heavy load. Okay, so the ant was carrying heavy load, no? The grain was so big as it was ant. But the ant, what it was doing? It was carrying that heavy load and it was going into the home. It was trying so much. Yes or no, children? Yes. Just as he spoke, the ant lost its footing and fell to the ground. But still held on to the grain of wheat. A second time it tried to carry its load up the rough trunk of the tree, and a second time it failed. So just what happened, children? Just as he spoke, who spoke? as Chamberlain spoke, what happened that time, children? The ant lost its footing and fell to the ground. Means the ant slipped from the tree and it fell to the ground. But it still held on the grain of a wheat. But still, what it do? What it was doing? It was just holding the grain of the wheat. It fell down, but also, children, it was holding the grain of wheat. A second time also, what happened? A second time it tried to carry its load up on the rough trunk of a tree. The trunk of the tree was very rough, children, but still, again, second time it tried to carry its load. Understood? What was its load, children? Wheat. Wheat grain was its load. Again it tried to carry. Okay, and a second time also it failed. Means second time also it was not able to carry the wheat grain into its home. Understood, children? Yes, Chamberlain watched the brave little insect. It tried 3 times, 4 times, a dozen times, 20 times, but always with the same result. So Tamerlane, what he was doing, children? Tamerlane was doing? He was just sitting near the tree and he was watching what the ant was doing. So what Tamerlane watched the brave little insect. So he was going on watching it. It was very brave. It tried 3 times. How many times it tried? Again and again it was going on trying. It tried for 3 times. It tried for 4 times, and also a dozen times it tried. Again 20 times it tried. But always, what was the result, children? The result was the same thing. Means it failed many times. Means it was not able to carry such a heavy load into the home of the ant. Understood, children? Home of a ant. Then it tried the 21st time. Slowly, one little step time. It crept up across the rough place where it had slipped and fallen so often. So, what happened, children? What did it do? Then it tried the 21st time. It again and again it was trying. Again it tried for 21st time. 21st time. Okay, got it. For how many times, children? 21st time. Slowly, one little step at a time. So slowly it was stepping. One little step means nidana move ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. It crept up across the rough place where it had slipped and fallen so often. So ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಆ ಜಾಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ರಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಆ ಜಾಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ran safely into its home, carrying its precious load. So next minute, what happened, children? It ran safely into its home with a precious load on its. What was the precious load it was carrying, children? With the grain wheat. Understood? So it just safely went into its home. Okay, well done, said Tamerlane. So what did Tamerlane say, children? He said, well done, well done. So at last it succeeded its wish, right? Yes. You have taught me a lesson. I too will try again till I succeed. So what happened for Tamerlane, children? So even he felt that it's better. It is very well and good to try again. So what Tamerlane said to himself, he said that you have taught me a lesson. Who taught the lesson, children? Ant taught lesson to Tamerlane, and he said that even I will try again till I succeed. Means till I succeed in my wish, I will be going on trying and trying. And this he did. Of what other story does this remind you? So, and this he did, and he succeeded in his life, and he fulfilled his wish. Understood, children? So if you listen and understand the story, what you'll remind, children? What you feel? What you can know from this lesson, children? Tell me. What is the moral you can know from this lesson, children? So children, in your life, if you have some goal, you everybody will be having some goal in your life, right? Yes, to reach your goal, what you should do, children? You should try again. Understood? We should not think that we can't do, we are not able to do, this will never happen from me. So if you think like that, what will happen, children? You will never succeed in your life. So what you should do, you should try again, like whom in this lesson? Like an ant in this lesson. It was a brave insect, right? Yes, if you try like that, you will definitely succeed in your life and you're going to reach your goal. Understood, children? Yes, so you will try, right? Yes. You're going to succeed in your life, yes or no? Yes. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood. This lesson was very interesting, right? And you also learned about how to succeed in your life, right? Yes, children. Hope you all have understood this lesson. Read the chapter once again, and also I will give the notes of this. So please copy into your classwork book, children. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye.